Hello friends, a warm welcome to my channel Vagabond. First of all, I want to thank all of you for all your love and support. Thank you for sharing, subscribing and liking my channel. Now today I'm going to upload a video on the Hosto Shilpo Mela 2021, which is taking place at Eco Park Gate 1. It is open between 1 p.m. till 8:30 p.m. in the evening. The Hosto Shilpa Mela has started since the 29th of November and will continue till the 20th of December. So if any of you haven't yet visited the fair, do visit so, and do not forget to carry your masks and sanitizers. Now the Hosto Shilpa Mela is an initiative by the government of West Bengal under the leadership of Ms. Mamta Banerjee, and it is an initiative by the Vishwa Bangla Marketing Corporation. Now we'll directly move on to the video. Hope you enjoy the video and stay tuned. Have reached Eco Park, so let's enter. Now let me give you more information about the fair. The Department of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises and Textiles, Government of West Bengal has promoted Vishwa Bangla Marketing Corporation (BBMC) to support the livelihoods of handloom weavers craftswomen and traditional artisans of the state through strategic marketing of handloom, handicraft and other heritage products of West Bengal. BBMC currently operates 9 state-of-the-art Vishwa Bangla showrooms, 5 in Calcutta and 1 each in New Delhi, Hyderabad, Darjeeling, Bagdogra Airport. BBMC reaches out to thousands of craftswomen, handloom weavers and traditional artisans in the state to develop handicraft and handloom products that stand out in quality and uniqueness. The social business approach is creating entrepreneurs out of artists and bringing back economic self-reliance to the bottom of the pyramid. BBMC is constantly widening its outreach in different districts across the length and breadth of Bengal, ranging from the skillful craftsmen of Jungle Mahal to the immensely creative as well as enterprising people in the hills of Darjeeling. BBMC has worked with West Bengal Bhutia Development Board, West Bengal Khamburai Development Board, West Bengal Shepa Cultural Board, West Bengal Mael Lying Lecture Development Board, West Bengal Tamang Development and Cultural Board, among other community development organizations in and around Darjeeling to facilitate market linkage for products handmade or otherwise traditionally produced by the different indigenous communities. Now, the Bishwa Bangla has promoted this fair into 3 parts: the handloom part, the handicrafts part, delicacies, health and wellness. Now, the handloom consists for both men and women, and for men they have handloom jacket, pocket square, dhoti kurta, and for women you get silk saris, cotton classics, linen saris, jamdani, Nakshi Kanta, Balushari, Bengal muslin, women's wear, tangel, shawl, scarf and dupatta. And for home furnishing, you get wall hanging, towel and gamcha. Now the handicrafts part, you get Bengal dokra, bags, wall hanging, table and dining, home decor, nature and lifestyle, and part chitra painting. Now the delicacies, health and wellness consists of Sundarban honey, Darjeeling tea, Kashundi collection, aromatic products, Sundarban turmeric powder, Tulsi Aak, Nolen Gur, Amla candy, black poha and rice pops, and there are many other items. Also see live painting, live weaving, live handicraft making. You get mats. These are wooden showpieces. Bamboo products, artificial flowers, mud dolls, there you see the Mayurakhi river, wall decor, painting, Patchitra painting, the Tista, the Hooghly, well, in a while I'll show you. There's also an ATM kiosk set up at the fair, and the best part is they are also accepting online payments through Paytm, GPay, PhonePe, and also via your credit card and debit card. And if you really want some cash in hand, you can visit the ATM kiosk, which is sponsored by Axis Bank. There you see live weaving of different items made of bamboo. Well, you just saw a child below 18 working, so you can imagine these people work so hard to earn their livelihood. Here you see lampshades made of wood. There you see the Axis Bank ATM. And now we move to the food zone. The food zone hosts a number of stalls, notably Wow Momo, and there are other shops named as counter 1, 2, 3, and so on. At the beginning of the counter, we are going to see a stall making pithe, and there is live grinding going on, grinding of the grains with the help of which pithe is made. You see spices and sauces. Counter 2, counter 3, Jol Bhora Surjo Kumar Modak. Counter 4, Pithe Bilashi. Counter 5, Calcutta Chaat House. Counter 6, Adi Loknath Achar. Counter 7, Wow Momo. Counter 8, Makali Pithe Bhandar. Counter 9, Kalimpong Momo. Well, I am going to try this Kalimpong Momo to see how different it is. You see Poush Parbon as counter 10, counter 3, Shade Bhora, another counter Rupkotha. There is the Galley, Kundu Cafe, and others. You see people all around enjoying the food from different parts of Bengal. People have come in with their families, friends to enjoy the fair. So the food zone is notably small. Here is the momo, which costs rupees 70. Consists of 6 pieces along with their handmade sauce and as well as soup. There you go, the health and wellness delicacies, the Sundarban honey, and then we move on further to the fair. Well, the food wasn't that good, to be honest. It's made of jute, caps, and mats. You see nameplates out of wooden logs. They'll carve your name and you can put it up on the door. You see artificial flowers. We just saw a tap where you can pour alcohol, a ready-made tap. Fans, pots, flower vases, storage containers, bags, home decor, earthen pots, These are few sofa chairs. This will give you a historical feeling. Just see them, just look at them. How beautiful are the carvings. That's the box. That's just adjacent to Eco Park. Wooden idols from Krishna to Durga to Vishnu to Ganesh to Hanuman. You get everything. They have set up temporary tents, making their food and having. Artwork made of the branches of trees and the logs. Just see them. How difficult could it be to make these? There are there. Live weaving is going on. This is wonderful to watch. I'm also going to share you details of my next video. So the fair is operative till the 20th of December. Any of you haven't yet visited, do visit. It is going to be a wonderful experience. The uniqueness, the authenticity, the originality, the simplicity of the fair will blow your mind. That's the gate. Get towards the exit. I want to thank all of you for watching this video. Do share your feedback and let me know if there is anything you want me to cover in my next video or improve, or any other place or fair or anything that is taking place around the city and you want details of that. Do let me know, and I shall definitely try to put up a documentary on that. Thank you.